Welcome to August Strecker. We are a family business with more than 80 employees here in Limburg an der Lahn in Germany, operating worldwide, and the first point of contact for individual complete solutions in welding technology. With our decades of experience, we are the leading international manufacturer of butt welding machines for the wire and cable industry. 85% of our annual production is destined for the world market. We export to Europe, USA, Brazil, China, and many more, in total to more than 100 countries. We develop and manufacture in Germany. With a very high vertical range of manufacture, we produce the best quality for a particularly long service life. Safety and operation is our top priority, but of course, also the reliability of the machines. Our welding machines deliver repeatable joints, one like the other. Our product range is broadly diversified to meet the different and often special requirements of our customers. Thus, customized, customer-specific machine designs are a matter of course for us. We integrate modern welding and annealing control systems, such as Strecker FPC or V30 Smart. We provide interfaces into high-level production control systems. We also serve the topics IoT, Industry 4.0. The partnership-based cooperation with our customers is the foundation for the success of our company and a prerequisite for sustainable business relationships. Our machines come with a 5-year Strecker warranty, and that alone speaks for the high quality and durability of our products. But we do not limit ourselves to the production and sale of butt welding machines alone. Service calls, repairs, and training courses anywhere in the world are also part of our extensive complete range of services. First-class customer service at such a high level is only possible through our dedicated and motivated employees, and we are very proud of that. Through employee qualification, starting with the apprenticeship, regular further training, up to dual studies, we lay the foundations for the many innovative ideas and developments on the product and in the production. By the way, our production is already climate neutral, and we have also committed ourselves to compensate the remaining CO2 emissions. Therefore, we support environmentally friendly projects in different countries, together with our partner Planetly. Get to know August Strecker, and feel free to visit our website at www.strecker-limburg.de for more information. Your team from August Strecker in Limburg.